Scene script. Ever pondered the importance of vacations for our mental health? The concept of a holiday has been around for centuries, but only in recent years have we begun to understand its profound impact on our brain health. Diving into the sea of research, studies spanning from Harvard to Helsinki have consistently found a correlation between vacations and improved brain health. But how exactly? Let's embark on this fascinating journey. First off, a study from the University of Pittsburgh revealed that leisure activities, including vacations, contributed to higher positive emotional levels and less depression among the participants. The study also found that individuals who took regular vacations reported feeling more satisfied and were more positive about their health. Then there's the research from New York University, which found that taking a vacation can help reduce stress. It turns out, removing ourselves from the environments and activities associated with stress can have significant benefits on our brain health. Traveling to new places can also stimulate our brains in unique ways. A study from the University of Columbia found that new experiences, such as exploring a new city or country, can stimulate our brains and promote mental agility. Now consider the research from the Central Institute of Mental Health in Germany. Their study found that even the simple act of planning a vacation can increase our happiness and decrease our chances of developing mental disorders. The anticipation of a vacation can often bring more happiness than the vacation itself. Lastly, let's not forget the research from the University of Massachusetts, which found that taking time off can improve our sleep quality. Better sleep, as we know, is linked to a range of health benefits, including better brain function, mood regulation, and overall mental health. In summary, vacations are not just a luxury or a chance to escape the daily grind. They serve as a potent tool for maintaining and enhancing our brain health. Regular holidays can boost our positive emotions, reduce stress, stimulate mental agility, increase happiness, and improve sleep quality. So, the next time you're feeling guilty about taking some time off, remember, it's not just a frivolous indulgence. It's a well-deserved brain boost. Vacations are a necessary investment in our mental health, an investment that pays rich dividends in the form of improved brain function, enhanced mood, and a better overall quality of life. So, go ahead and plan that vacation. Your brain will thank you for it.